Hello everyone and welcome to our webinar on digital transformation and data management. My name is Karol Licko and I'm a solution specialist at M2 Technologies, and hopefully today's presentation will shed some light on the digital transformation in the manufacturing. So let's begin. I'm sure that many of you already heard the term digital transformation, and I'm sure that many of you also have some idea what it is. Today, we will dig deeper in what digital transformation means in Autodesk terms. The term digital transformation is becoming very popular in many industries, and it's starting to find its way into the manufacturing. The first and obvious question is, what is a digital transformation, and why do I need to concern myself with it? Well, let's start with some technical terminology. The enterprise project defines digital transformation as, quote, the integration of digital technology into all areas of business, fundamentally changing how you operate and deliver value to the customers. It's creating digital connections across your entire enterprise, even extending it to partners and customers. In other words, it's a smarter way to run your business. It shouldn't be surprising that this kind of a digital movement has reached manufacturing. The way manufacturing is conducted nowadays, it will become progressively harder and harder to compete without implementing some form of digital transformation into the manufacturing workflows. There is an explosion of data. Manufacturing generates more data than any other sector of the economy. We have new computing capabilities. Now we can do things with all this data that we couldn't just 5 years ago. And there are technology advancements such as automation, robotics, AI, for example, Autodesk generative design, additive manufacturing, etc. So in order to be competitive, and I mean to be faster to the market, be more efficient about sharing all the data and creating value to the customers, we need to start thinking about the manufacturing in terms of data flow and data management. Here's a quote from June 2018 study from research analyst Craig Klein at Aberdeen. To enable advancement to new areas such as the Internet of Things, augmented reality, and Industry 4.0, best-in-class companies are undergoing a PLM digitalization process to provide a single view of product data across the enterprise, even extending this visibility to partners and customers. I would like to underscore what I believe are the two most important words in this group: single view. Single view of the data is the biggest obstacle in the manufacturing world today. The study also underscores the importance of the digital product lifecycle management of documents and data, which led to increase in productivity and collaboration in the companies already. The bottom line is that the world is changing and the manufacturers need to digitalize in order to advance. So the question is, what are you doing today to jump on the digitalization bandwagon and run your business better? Digital transformation can look like a number of things, but today we are going to take a look at your product data specifically. Why? Well, remember that point about the explosion of data we're experiencing in manufacturing today? Well, most manufacturers are harnessing all the data at their disposal. This is not only a major missed opportunity, it also presents a threat to your company's future. Best-in-class manufacturers are striving to create an environment in which they can tap into their product data and it's driving results. They're consistently saving on design cost, improving engineering productivity, launching products on time, delivering higher quality products. So what exactly are they doing differently? Let's take a look at an innovative approach to managing product data. In most cases, today's manufacturing consists of two major processes. The first is the product engineering, and second is the product management. Unfortunately, they are often poorly connected. What manufacturing world demands is a platform that integrates both of these processes: product data management, PDM, and product lifecycle management, PLM. Let's quickly define these two solutions. Product data management software, such as Autodesk Vault, is used to manage engineering data. It handles models, drawings, and assemblies with metadata and related library. It's owned by engineering and integrated with the CAD interface. On the other hand, product lifecycle management software, such as Autodesk Fusion Lifecycle, manage the entire end-to-end product lifecycle from early concept through engineering to production to services. It connects people, data, processes, and systems to provide transparency and traceability. Now, let's take a look at some of the benefits of the tools working together. Next few slides will give you a top-level overview of the solution capabilities. With both tools together, you have a fully connected data management strategy. This allows you to have the latest product design at hand at any time and instant visualization within the browser. This is possible thanks to the integrated viewer, which provides measurement, sectioning, and exploded views. First and foremost, you can connect all the engineering disciplines. You can digitize and connect virtually anything. The available configurable online forms with integrated document management will replace mails and paper forms and make information accessible to anyone. Access permissions, form validations, and changelogs provide both visibility and quality of the data. You can prevent delays. And who doesn't want to prevent delays in a business process? By using configurable online workflows that drives the collaboration of all stakeholders, you can prevent delays in your business processes. Activities can be scheduled by milestones to enable an automatic reminders. And with delegations and automatic escalation, you can prevent delays in process executions. And when delays do happen, you can react to them properly and on time. The visual representation of the delays can aim your focus directly at the affected tasks. At this point, you're probably asking yourself, why do I need both PLM and PDM solutions? Well, manufacturing is a multi-departmental effort to bring the product from napkin to the customer. However, departments often work with their own siloed systems. Think about it. Where's your product data? Multiple instances of PLM systems, CAD, ERP, MES? Perhaps homegrown systems, shared views, Excel files, emails? If you are not sure why things have stalled, why you're buried in spreadsheets and emails, or wasting too much time on status reports, it seems like you have experienced the problem firsthand. Disconnection comes with a lot of risk that extend well beyond engineering, like higher cost. Companies with disconnected PDM and PLM systems tend to have more errors occur due to version control, lapses in manual processes, and poor documentation. In other words, the design process can get costly quick. Risk of failure. Lack of transparency hinders corrective or preventive actions and increases the risk of compliance failure. Delayed schedules. Without enterprise-wide visibility, miscommunication occur and tracking progress is difficult. BOM management becomes unwieldy and design process slowed down to a gridlock. Difficulty collaborating. Disconnected environment comes with a host of challenges, including loss and duplication of data, poor insight into the project status, and less informed decision making. The perils of disconnected data management are real. For example, those with disconnected systems are more than twice as likely to have product lifecycle that extend beyond 5 years. Now, what you can expect from a fully integrated PLM and PDM strategy? In short, a single clean system for viewing product data across the enterprise, and unification of all data, people, processes, and systems that make up your businesses. Your business can expect reduced costs and higher margins. Process improvements in operations, manufacturing, and design reduce scrap, rework, and labor to maximize product margins. Next, higher product quality. The design and manufacturing teams thrive in a culture of continuous improvement. Streamlined design process resulting in higher team synchronization. By digitalization of processes from NPI through development and expansion of change management to the complete product record, you can keep both the design and manufacturing teams in sync. Lastly, improved collaboration and visibility. Operations, manufacturing, quality, and engineering can work together proactively. Working without administrative roadblock and unnecessary workflow rigidity The project participants have clear visibility into their entire product lifecycle. It's no wonder that best-in-class companies are moving almost 20% faster toward connected data management. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of combined PDM and PLM. What combined system brings to the table is engineering efficiency utilizing data sharing and management. Integration platform. REST API eases integration efforts and provides more flexibility. Accessibility and deployment. Cloud-based PLM makes data accessible anytime and anywhere. Majority of the users are outside of engineering. The PLM user interface is easy to use and reduced to functionality required by non-engineering end users. This ensures both acceptance and efficiency. Process-centric collaboration. PLM is process-centric, not document-centric, providing a flexible and dynamic workflow. Focus on the non-engineering business processes. PLM can focus on non-engineering business processes, while independent PDM can focus on the document-centric data management needs of engineering. Scalable infrastructure. Cloud-based PLM scales automatically. Data is quickly available to all. Everything is accessible via web user interface, which does not require software installation and manual updates. Next slide provides some testimonials from Autodesk customer who implemented PLM. What you can see are the customers who implemented PLM are more efficient, better organized, highly accurate, and have standardized business operations. Next couple of slides presents the case study at Hosokawa Micron. Hosokawa Micron is a world leader in providing process solutions in the fields of powder and particle processing technology and blown film technology. They were founded in Japan and have facility across 6 continents. The equipment that they sell is used to produce materials like coffee, cereal, icing, and medicine tablets. Document control and change management are major challenges in Hosokawa business. They described a horror story situation as sending a drawing to a manufacturing, changing the drawing the next day, and then getting equipment manufactured to the wrong drawings weeks later. I'm pretty sure that many of you can relate to this story and had similar experiences in the past. Well, that's just one reason they use Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection, which includes Inventor and Vault, in addition to Fusion Lifecycle to manage their documentation. They gain full visibility into who's working on the document and where it is in the system, which removed a lot of blind spots in the business. Digitalization brought order to chaos, giving full control over the product development process. This just goes to show that connected data management strategy isn't just about change management, it's a better way to run your business. Moving on. In the next few slides, we will explore the 3 key capabilities of PLM. First, new product introduction. With Fusion Lifecycle in control of the whole product development process, you can get your latest product innovation to the market without costly launch delays. The non-CAD engineering team can define the new product and share the design intent with the CAD designer seamlessly. In this short demonstration, we will see how does the MPI look into the Fusion Lifecycle connected to the Vault. The new product introduction is very simple with Fusion Lifecycle. The customizable forms will keep the process same and structured every time. Details, bill of materials, milestones, and other critical project data are accessible in a single view across the entire organization. The due dates and the team members can be assigned, and the users will be notified about their new responsibilities. The customizable workflow allows the stakeholder to create specific routings that would fit the organizational structure or specific product workflow. Once the initial project stages, which could include market research or requirement definitions, are concluded and the project is approved for further development, the engineering process begins. A new project is created in the Vault, and the engineering design can seamlessly continue in the PDM and CAD environment that is linked back to the Fusion lifecycle with progress overview capabilities. And here's the best part. In the Vault Datasheet tab of the new project, the seamless data flow from project management to project engineering can be observed. The data collected during the MPI stage are translated down to engineering without lengthy emails or spreadsheets. When done, data is pushed back to FLC. Second PLM functionality case is the bill of material management. In this case, the importance of the access to the reliable and accurate product data is demonstrated. Bill of material records of the product development are perhaps the most important deliverable. Excel sheet might get the job done, but they leave this critical document vulnerable to error that can have a substantial impact on your bottom line. That's why you should consider extending Vaulted Design to PLM and beyond. And again, here's a short demonstration on how this bill of material management looks in Fusion Lifecycle and Vault. Idea/product definition begins outside of the CAD and Vault. When ready, files are promoted and introduced to FLC. FLC carries forward DNA of the data. Then Vault maintains control over document/file lifecycle. Once the engineering completes the product design, the released files are synchronized with FLC. The background operations synchronize the bill of materials with the FLC so the data is available for non-CAD users. The detailed product information as well as engineering documentation and bill of material is now accessible for the key stakeholders without having need for CAD interface. The third key case demonstrates Fusion Lifecycle Change Management. The PLM keeps work flowing regardless of the design change. Product changes are fully defined, reviewed, approved, and implemented in one collaborative environment. The change information are visible to key stakeholders, and everyone can monitor the change in real time. Furthermore, full details of components or subassembly to change are available, and stakeholders can fully understand the impact of the change and can see what's been changed in the past. And here's how does the change management look in Fusion Lifecycle and Vault. Initial release management is created. Issues from the field, supplier, customer, shop floor are recorded, routed through a quality to engineering change to CAD and back. All the necessary details, such as priority, due date, and description, are captured. Parts that need to be changed are added to the change order. Change order is approved and submitted to engineering for execution. On the engineering side, responsible engineer will execute the approved change order inside the CAD environment and sends the new version of the part back to the FLC. Here are some additional capabilities available in the PLM. They include quality management, supplier collaboration, and connected product data management. Here's how all of this looks together. Initial project/product is set up in the FLC. Then the MPI is initiated to coordinate the project deliverables with the engineering. Once ready, engineering upload design files back to the FLC. Bill of material gets synchronized with FLC for non-CAD users to see. And if necessary, change management could be initiated from FLC by engineers or non-CAD users. So, to wrap things up, we know that supporting innovation is at the top of your mind. We also know that advancing in the world of smarter products starts with a smarter approach to managing product data. Autodesk can provide a single view of product data across the enterprise, one central system that makes data easily available for everyone. It's more than just engineering-centric data management. It's a better way to run your business. Don't just take our word for it. In the earlier mentioned study, Aberdeen found that senior engineers at large companies reported seeing distinct benefit in moving to cloud-based PLM, which includes 61% faster implementation speed, 59% efficiency in total lifecycle cost, superior scalability, easier deployment, affordable subscription pricing, carefree automatic updates and upgrades. If you are living in the world of disconnected data, see how we can help pave the path forward. Get in touch with your dedicated M2 account team today and see how you can improve your company data flow.